theme's Thursday. And the theme is birds.
Hi everybody. Yeah, the theme's birds today.
Yeah, and we're going somewhere for the theme Thursday video.
What are we going to do?
We're gonna feed the duck.
We're going to try and find some ducks to feed, aren't we? Yeah, because Daddy's going to the lake to have a fish.
Yeah, and we're gonna take little Georgia.
We're going to take Georgia because she's never been on an outing, has she? She's one of our newest babies. Now, what's on your shirt there?
A birdie.
Oh, isn't it pretty? Look how sparkly it is. It's a lovely shirt, isn't it? It's one of your favourites. Now, we've got just a couple of the other babies are dressed up with birds as well. Can you show us who's in this bassinet here?
Little Emma Star. We're gonna do a routine with her.
We are. We're going to do a bath routine with her, a morning routine.
Yeah.
Hopefully coming up soon. So little Emma Star's got, look, what's on her little pyjamas?
A little birdie, and she's holding a birdie toy.
Yeah, she's got that new birdie toy that we got at the shops,
But
doesn't she?
Natalie's not wearing anything.
No, I think the only babies wearing birds is Emma Star and, oh, look who I changed the other day. And I didn't know that the theme was going to be birds when I changed Lucy. Yeah, she's wearing this new outfit. Look, Aliyah, it's got birds on the bib.
It's so cute.
And then a little birdie underneath as well. She looks very sweet. So where's Georgia? Do we know where she is? Here she is, look. She's over here on the day bed with the baby. She's still wearing the outfit she came in.
Yeah, and we're gonna change her into a bird outfit.
Yeah, so we'll get doing that and then we're going to head off to the lake to try and find some ducks to feed.
Guys, make sure if you haven't subscribed, make sure you press the subscribe button.
Yeah, and make sure you hit the notifications bell and please give us a like if you like our video. Welcome if anyone's new. And don't forget at the end of our Theme Thursday video, we will be saying hi to some of you guys. If you want to hear your name next week, if you want a chance to hear your name, then please comment below. Every week we pick some names, don't we, to say hi to. All right, should we get changing Georgia?
Look, guys, we've got our owl mat to change her on.
Yeah, we've got this lovely owl mat here, so we're going to put Georgia on there.
Yeah, it's got a flower on it too.
It's cute, isn't it? Because an owl is a bird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you want to grab Georgia, Aliyah?
And we use this for bird theme with melody.
Did we? You've got such a good memory, Aliyah. I can't even remember that. All right, do you want to come and get Georgia from over here? Come pick her up and put her on the mat.
She wants to take her blanket.
Good job. Very good. All right, so we'll get changing Georgia.
Yep.
Okay, so we've set her up, haven't we? You found her a little dummy, didn't you, Aliyah? It's got a butterfly on it. We don't have any with birds on, but that's pretty close. The butterfly has wings, doesn't it, like birds? Do you want to take her little shoes off? And we'll show everybody the outfit that we have. Can you tell us what's on this little onesie, Aliyah?
A flamingo.
We've got a little flamingo on her little onesie.
And swans swim in the water.
They do, yeah. We might see a swan today. We'll have to have a look in the lake. We're going to a beautiful lake.
Aww,
A little bird on the shirt, yeah, and some little pants.
Has it got birds on it?
The pants don't, but the little shirt does, so that's cute. And in case, because it's a bit cold today, it's winter here.
It's got bird!
It's got a bird, look.
With
And a squirrel.
Stump.
It's a little hoodie, yeah, it's really cute. So that should keep her warm. All right, let's get her changed, hey? Oh, she looks so cute, guys. Look. Isn't she cute? Now, we haven't brushed her hair, but we're going to put her little hood on. So, I don't think it matters too much if we don't brush her hair.
Mummy.
Do you want to put that on?
She said Mummy.
Oh, she's so clever. Did she say Mummy?
Yeah.
Oh, look how adorable she looks, Aliyah. But you know what we forgot? We forgot to put some little socks,
I
didn't
know
we?
what we can put on her feet with socks.
We need some little socks. Well, not those ones. They're not warm enough, are they? Because it's so cold outside. Do you want to go look in the girls' cupboard for some little socks?
Okay, but I can't carry her there.
I'll mind her, okay?
Okay.
Good job.
Mummy, I found something.
Oh, you've got some? What have you got there? Oh, so we've got some little socks. Very good. Oh, these will be nice and warm. She can wear these little booties. Look, these are really soft and warm inside, aren't they? Yeah, they've got like they've got wool in there to make them really soft.
Let's get to it.
Can you put those on her feet? Right, I've just moved the camera so we can see. Aliyah, do you want to do one sock and I'll do one sock? I can help you a little bit. Now, these socks are quite tight, which is good, so hopefully they won't fall off while we're at the lake. Can you get that on? Good job. Push, push, push. Now we're going to take the baby carrier because she gets quite heavy, doesn't she, after a while for you. So I'll carry her in the baby carrier.
Can I carry her for a little bit?
Yeah, you can carry her till you get tired.
Okay.
And then I can pop her in the carrier. So she's never been in there before, in the baby carrier, has she? Oh, these shoes are so nice and warm. I wish I had some little boots like this.
When you were little?
I'd want some now to keep my feet warm. Would you like some like that?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're so warm, aren't they?
But I'm already a kid.
Yeah. There we go. All right, let's get going, hey?
Yep, come on. Guys, we're going to the lake and we'll see you when we get there.
Yeah, we're going in the car. We'll see you when we get there, guys.
Guys, we're on the way to the lake, guys, but Dad just stopped for lunch.
Yeah, Daddy's just gone into the shop to get some lunch, hasn't he? So we're just on our way to the lake. And who else is here in the car?
Little Georgia and my brother.
And Aliyah's brother, Caleb. Say hi.
Hi.
What do you think of the Reborn, Caleb?
Stupid.
Caleb? Oh, dear.
At least I think she's cute.
Yeah, at least we think she's cute, huh?
Is she sad?
Is she sad? Does she look sad, does she? No, I don't think she's sad. She's going to go see the duckies. Is she sad now, Aliyah?
Yeah, she's crying.
Oh, look, you made her cry, Caleb. What do you have to say?
I want to cry.
Oh, poor baby.
Guys, we're here and Dad's going fishing.
Yeah, there goes Daddy and Caleb. They're going to go have a fish. And we're going to go and try and find some ducks, aren't we?
Yeah.
Now, I'm going to put little Georgia in the baby
Yeah,
carrier.
and I'll video Mommy.
You're going to video me
Yeah,
doing that?
I love videos.
Aliyah likes videoing. All right, you give me Georgia.
Yeah.
Thank you.
I hold the phone.
Yeah, you hold that. All right, I'll just grab the baby carrier out of the car. I've got it here, and we've got some bread too, don't we, to feed
Yep.
the duckies. So hopefully we can get some ducks, find some ducks to feed. I've got to figure this out. I'll put her down in the car for a moment, okay? Her little shoes keep coming off, so we might leave them in the car, Aliyah.
Mommy's got it on, guys.
I've set it up, so we'll get little Georgia, and we'll see if she will go in there. You ready? Put her little feet in. Her little shoes kept falling off, so we'll leave her shoes
Let me
off.
see if it pops out.
Yeah, we'll put her little feet through here.
I make sure that they pop out.
Yeah. You're watching her little feet?
Yep. They're popping out.
Here they come. Whoops. Oh, she's looking nice and warm now. In the carrier, can she see?
Yes.
Okay. Should we go find some duckies?
Yep.
They're coming over. Look, here they come.
So
hungry, I think. They're fighting over it. Can you throw some out?
Okay.
Baby magpie, Aliyah. Oh, the poor birdie. There's a carp trying to eat that piece of bread, guys. A huge carp. There it is. Just, oh, there he goes. He ate it. That was a big fish. You see him? He's coming. Can you see?
Yeah.
The big fishy. Look at him under the water. Yeah. See how big he is? It's a big brown fish. He went near the breeding, so he might come back again. It looks like the ducks might get there first.
No, I get it.
Oh, they got it.
Don't worry, I'll throw some more.
You want to throw out another one?
Yeah.
Those cheeky duckies. Can you see?
Dog, don't get it.
Oh, there he goes. Did you see him? Look.
Yeah.
There, look, he's eating it. That big fishy.
I saw his nose.
He's big, isn't he? That's a big carp.
I see it.
You saw it?
Can I see it again?
It's a bit camouflaged.
Guys, let's go on the pontoon and see Dad and Caleb.
Yeah, they're out here, aren't they, having a fish? So we thought we'd go and say hi. Hi, Caleb. I think Dad's gonna set... Caleb's doing his fortnight dance. I think Dad was gonna set Caleb's rod up to try and catch a carp. They've been fishing for bass, but it's a little bit hard, the bass fishing. So we thought we might try and catch a carp for fun. It's catch and release in this lake only. Yeah, Andrew likes to come and practice his bass fishing sometimes on a Tuesday. Hello. Let's show everybody the view. It's such a pretty view. You've got the mountains up there. We live not far from the mountains, so we've got the mountains just there. This is only about 10 minutes from our house, this lovely lake. Come on, Caleb, let's go try and catch a fish. I bet Georgia would like to see a fish. Ready, Caleb?
Go, wind him, wind him.
You watching, Aliyah?
Slowly, just slowly, let him go, let him go. Just let
Ooh.
him, fight him gently. Whoa, Caleb!
Oh, can you see him? Oh, there he is.
Okay, let Daddy get him.
Look what you got, Caleb. What do you think, Aliyah?
Wow.
Yeah. Wow, that's a nice fish. Oh, it's a bass.
So you're going to put your hand in?
Ready?
Okay, put your hand in there strong. Do not let go of him.
You got him, Caleb?
Oh!
You got it, yeah.
He's a bit wiggly.
Put your hand in there and push in hard with your thumb. Push in hard.
That's
Okay,
it.
now lift up. Hold the rod with this hand.
get, Caleb? A giant bass? Yeah, so clever. Look at his big mouth. Oh, let's have a look. Does he have teeth in there? Oh, he's got the little fishy in there. Was that fun, winding him in? Was he heavy? Yeah? Pretty clever.
Well done. Good job. Now, do you want to help Daddy put him back in?
We're going to release him now.
He's not for dinner. Okay, let Daddy have a look.
We can't eat him, unfortunately.
Now, come down, pull your sleeves up.
Ready, Aliyah? Oh, look.
Now, what I want you to do is bring these fingers back a bit further. Now, what I want you to do is tilt his head down and go like this. Look, this is what you're going to do. So his head goes in. Just gently
Are you going to
straight
throw
down.
him, Caleb?
No, like this. You need to lean his head down and up and let him...
Oh, Millie.
And drop him in. That's it.
That was a big
See
splash.
how he just went and swam off? What do you say?
Good job, Caleb.
Guys, that was a cool fish. And there's an aeroplane up there.
Oh, there is an aeroplane right up there in the
Berkeley
sky.
minnow grub.
Oh, Daddy's excited now he caught a fish. Are you excited too? Well, that was exciting, wasn't it, guys? Here comes the kids again.
Yeah.
That was
It's
so fun.
a tie.
Daddy's having one more fish now. He's gotten all excited because he caught that fish. But I'm going to go put Georgia in the car and get ready to go.
Guys, we're home.
We're home now, aren't we, Aliyah?
Yeah, but little Georgia is thirsty, so she's having a drink.
She is. And can you show us what's on her bottle?
Birdie.
There's little birdies on the bottle.
And for how much you put to measure. There's little bird things.
Oh yeah, there is. Let me have a look. I didn't notice that. To measure there's some little birds there too. Very good. All right, while she's having her milk, can you tell us how much fun we had?
We had so much fun.
We did, feeding the ducks, didn't we? And then, what did Caleb catch with Daddy?
A bass.
A big bass fish, didn't he? So that was lots of fun, wasn't it? Georgia liked watching that too, I think. She's very thirsty. All right, we're going to say hi to some of our friends now. Are you ready, Aliyah?
Hi, Reborn Huggles.
Hi, Wolfa Devries.
Hi, Holly's babies.
Hi, Amber Ziegler.
Hi, Color Prism.
Hi, Happy Gnomes Nursery.
Hi, Amy Renee.
Hi, Sharonda Motley.
Hi, Brandy Brandon.
And hi to Tat Junaid Graff. I'm sorry if I've said that wrong. That was a bit of a tricky one. But hi to all those people. Thank you so much for watching our videos and commenting. She wants some more, does she? She's very thirsty. All right, so thank you for watching our Theme Thursday video, guys. And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, please subscribe. Bye. Mwah. And press the
Notifications?
yes.
Can you say it? Try.
Notification bell.
That's it. Bye, guys.